AGARO Regency electric spin mop with water sprayer and LED light. Unveil the magic. Your package includes the main unit featuring a powerful scrubber, a swivel handle for easy maneuvering, an adjustable extension rod, an AC adapter, a measuring cup for precise water refills, and 2 extra mop pads for extended use. Here we have the power button and a spray button. Press and hold the spray button on the handle for a seamless water spray and mopping experience. Enjoy the convenience of a 2-in-1 cleaning solution. It works as a perfect scrubber which gives versatile cleaning for various floor types including vinyl, tile, hardwood, laminate and marbles. The powerful scrubber effortlessly tackles stubborn stains and grips. This has double spinning heads and gives you 150 rounds per minute, so you can experience efficient and swift cleaning with a rotation speed of 150 RPM. Watch as the mop effortlessly lifts dirt, leaving your floors spotless. This water tank has a capacity of 200 ml. A generous water tank capacity ensures extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. So just say goodbye to interruptions and enjoy continuous cleanings. This swivel handle provides flexibility, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny. This adjustable extension rod can be adjusted to your height, ensuring comfort during the use. Plus, we got a measuring cup. This ensures and guarantees precise water refills, avoiding spillage. This rechargeable mop takes only 4 hours to get completely charged and can be used up to 50 minutes. Witness the mopping master in action. This is a live demonstration showcasing each feature's efficiency and ease of use. So in conclusion, I must say, elevate your cleaning experience with the AGARO Regency electric spin mop with better floor cleaning experience. This is a mopping master. Enjoy a sparkling clean home with advanced features designed for modern living.